Welcome everybody back to boostinmotion, guys, and today we got a new part for the Q60. But guys, before I get into the video, there's gonna be a link below to my Instagram. My Instagram family actually knows what goes down weeks before it even comes to YouTube. So guys, if you want to talk to me more on a personal level, go add me at boostinmotion, hit me up in my DM, we'll talk, chat up a little bit, and answer some of you guys' questions. Not too much though, please, not too much. There's a lot of questions, all right? But outside of that, let's hit the intro. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Thank you. So welcome back everybody. So I'm just super excited because I finally got these parts in. So I'm going with a full 3-inch catted downpipe, and it's from this company called AAM Competition. Now they've been around for quite a while in the Maxima and Nissan Infiniti community way before VR. So some of you guys might think that they're new. No, they've been out for quite a while, and I went with their full 3-inch cast catted downpipes. So this is going to be an unboxing video, but before I get to that part, what I want you guys to go do is also go to their social medias below, add them on Instagram, and also go take a look at their catalog on their AAM competition site, and so you can look at prices and just browse through the, some of the products that they have. But anyways, you guys can't wait, so let's get to the unboxing. It comes in this box, guys. Now this box, I'm not gonna lie, was a little bit heavy. But when things are heavy, that means there's a lot of good stuff in it. So I'm super excited. I'm not going to do a sped up video. I'm just going to make a quick little slice here on the video. And then boom, boom, there we go. So now we have it unboxed. I think I did a little bit backwards. I think I was supposed to open it from the top. So I probably messed up here. But let's just quickly look at the packaging. They got the bubble wrap. They have some stickers and some hardware here from the bolts you're going to need to use, and the gaskets and everything. Let's just move that stuff out the way. We don't really care for that right now. Alright, so you guys are going to see it first, because I'm going to see it first with you. I'm not even going to surprise it, so I'm a little bit nervous. Ooh-wee! Look at those jewels. Oh, ooh, that feels good. Oh, wait. I'm not trying to stroke the pipe, guys. All right. Ooh. All right, let me just get... Ooh, I'm getting shaking a little bit. Let me just get this stuff unboxed nice and neatly and showcase it. So, let's jump to it. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the inlet. So off the turbo, this is the first part that would tie in. This will be a V-band mount. The quality looks pretty good. I don't see any problems with this quality right here. Everything looks 100% great. I don't see anything wrong here. As we go down, you guys want to take a look at the metals, the different welds that were done on it. Let's go through it. Looks good. So remember guys, it's TIG weld here. Same thing here. If you guys want to know the catalyst material they use, you guys can, I want you guys to see that there. Let me see. G-Sport emission system, powered by, and it has the part number and EPA and all the other certifications. Okay, cool. Once again, these welds here. Now this is when they come from the cast material to the stainless steel housing of the catalyst material, to now stainless steel completely down here. They use the J-bend here. The welds look good. You always got to take a look and inspect this stuff, because I'm not a welder, guys, but what I can tell you from just looking at plenty of videos and what stuff that can go wrong, if it's too hot and you burn through the metal, guess what? You got an exhaust leak. So always look for pinholes or anything like that. But they also inspect their stuff before they send it out to their customers, and that's the most important thing. Understand this J-bend is really good too, because it's not, the oxygen sensor is not in the complete exhaust flow and it's more up here, you have a less likely chance of running into an check engine light. But because we have a catalyst material, we shouldn't run into that at all. Okay, now let's take a look at the mounting. This is the flange that goes to the YPIPE. I really like these welds, they look really good. Once again, nice dimes. Rotate it, rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. Cool, have no problem with that. So I am super thankful, guys. I want to add this part onto it too. I didn't really zero in on the hardware, but I think I should. This is something I noticed about this hardware that I really like. Gaskets and stuff they include from the bolts and the hardware. You know, they give you the sticker and the grade, whatever specific grade exhaust bolts they give you. But they also give you gaskets, right? And now I want to break down these gaskets briefly. If you guys have been in the car world for a while, whenever you buy like exhaust, they include some kind of cheap gasket they give you. But in a recent, I would say an older video, I talked about an exhaust gasket I had, and this one has a circular ring. Why is this important? Because when you add this circular ring to it, it allows this gasket to last a lot longer. A lot of the exhaust gas and heat pushes against these rings, and usually most exhaust that you may choose to purchase aftermarket won't have this ring here. It will just be this material itself, and what would happen is the exhaust gas will get between, like, it would be the same material, it get between there, it'll start to break it up, and this is how you'll get an exhaust leak. So you have to change your test pipe or your downpipe gasket a couple thousand miles later, because that's what happens. So I think these rings are really good, and I think they really help you out a lot. But also, remember I had sat there and told you guys that this is a 3-inch full catted downpipe. So how is this 3-inch full catted downpipe going to bolt up to your 2.5-inch CATBACK? So they included these reducers, and/or I would say gaskets slash flanges. So these gaskets slash flanges are actually they're 2.5-inch, and what they would do is they would bolt up to this end here, right? And that's also why you have the adjustable holes here, so you can be able to move the pipe back and forth. See? And this is actually 2.5-inch, and when you move it, it goes back to 3 inches. So this is another way. It's more of an adapter, so you can adapt your 2.5-inch exhaust to the 3-inch downpipes. Some people are going to comment and say, will that be bad? Will it mess up flow? To be honest, I'm not an exhaust guy, but to be quite honest with you, it's not right off the turbo itself. Remember, the turbines are spinning from here, going all through this, and then it stepped down from the 3.3 inches to the 2.5 down here. I don't think that's going to be a huge bottleneck. You already came from a terribly flown OEM system, and I also realized other exhaust systems such as AMS and other ones do some similar tricks like this also, so you can bolt up to the 2.5-inch CATBACK exhaust. So this is something that's pretty common in the exhaust community, not only in the Nissan Infinitis, outside of that too. So this is just a little tricks and stuff that they do so that they can interchangeability would work. So all in all, guys, I think this is a really solid part. I'm not gonna lie, it's heavy. I've bought exhaust modifications before, and I know that I do come off as boost on the budget in motion. But even before my Q days, I did buy expensive exhaust before my U2 days, and I'm not gonna lie, this is the first exhaust piece I've ever purchased that I feel it. Like, I felt that my money went to something that's going to be a good, high quality product, and I really hope AAM competition doesn't let me down. So yeah, guys, so I'm super appreciative. Thanks again, Mike from AAM competition, for sending me out this unit and working with me to bring out good parts, dope parts, to the Q50 Q60 VR30 community. They also make parts for the 3.7 Q50s too, and also Nissan Infiniti G37s and 370s, etc. So they've been in the Nissan community for quite a while, and they only make parts for the Nissan Infiniti community. So guys, check their tags and social media below on their website. If you do want to purchase this pipe, I'm not gonna lie with you, just off the unboxing alone and holding this thing, comparing it to the prices of the other competition, even though it's right around the same price, this feels like your money went to something, and it felt like it goes to something unique. So definitely, guys, definitely check them out. If you want to contact me, you already know, contact me at boostinmotion on IG, Facebook, and boostinmotion@gmail.com. I'm just super thankful, and for the people who made it to this part of the video, this exhaust is also going to be paired up with a 3-inch CATBACK. It's going to be dope. So definitely check it out. Hit the subscribe button with the bell notification, and just check any links below. Check on some of my older videos. Check everything out, man. Just always hit the like, comment, and watch the videos from the start to the finish. So you guys have a good morning, good afternoon, good night. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. You have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for watching. Do appreciate you guys. Love you guys very much. You can also check out the 2 links I posted for some of my other videos. Also, on top of that, if you want to purchase some boostinmotion merch, definitely check the link that I posted also. And finally, if you've been watching all my videos and you enjoy them, please hit the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you.